Here's how to recover a TurboTax account without email access. Now, start by opening the TurboTax sign-in page in your web browser. This is the page where you normally enter your account details to access TurboTax. Since email access is not available, the recovery process will use another sign-in option connected to your Intuit account. Now, on the sign-in page, look for the field labeled phone number, email, or user ID. In that field, enter the phone number or user ID linked to your account. Use whichever one you still have access to and know is correct. Then click Sign In to move to the password screen. When the Enter Your Intuit password screen appears, do not try random passwords if you are not sure which one is current. Instead, click Forgot Password. This opens the account recovery path and lets you verify your identity using a code. Now, you will then arrive at the Verify It Is You screen. On this screen, TurboTax or Intuit will ask where you want to receive your verification code. Because this process is for recovering access without email, select the option that sends the code by text message. Choose Text to Code, so the verification code is sent to the phone number associated with your account. After you select that option, wait a moment for the text message to arrive. Open your text messages and look for the message from Intuit containing a 6-digit verification code. Make sure you use the most recent code if more than one message appears, since older codes may no longer work. Go back to the verification screen and enter the 6-digit code into the verification field exactly as shown in the text message. Check that all 6 digits are entered correctly before moving on. A single incorrect digit can prevent the code from being accepted. Once the code is in place, click Continue. This confirms the code and allows TurboTax to verify your identity. If the code is accepted, the account recovery step is complete and the sign-in process will continue automatically. After the code is verified, you will be logged in to your TurboTax account and taken directly to your tax home. This confirms that the recovery worked using your phone number or user ID without needing access to your email. If you are following along on your own screen, pause for a moment at the tax homepage to make sure you are in the correct account before doing anything else. That helps avoid confusion if you manage more than one Intuit login. Thanks for watching. Your TurboTax account is now recovered and you are signed in to your tax home